This is Halloween. Oh, whoa. That was a fucking
Come with us and you will see. This our town of Halloween. This is Halloween. This is Halloween. Pumpkin spooky and get up. This is Halloween. Everybody do.
What's poppin', Sanctus Squad? It is your girl, Gay to the motherfucking Benz, the Sun Kiss Queen, and I'm back with another video today. So in today's video, I'm gonna be introducing you guys a quick little Halloween glam bitch. Something pretty cute, not major. So we're gonna get straight into this video. There you guys have it, my finished Halloween blood clot glam bitch. You guys already know the drill. Are you guys stupid? Are you dumb? Bitch, take your motherfucking bunnies here. Bitch, oh my god. Bitch, what? Ooh, I killed this bitch. No attempted murder. Fully killed, dead, deceased. 6 feet under. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget, hit that like button, type in that comment, and hit that subscribe button with the bell to know when I post. Don't forget, check out my other videos, makeup wise. All links will be down below. If you guys have any ideas that you guys want me to do, any looks you want me to try, make sure you guys either email me, comment down below those as well. It is your girl, K to the motherfucking Benz. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Oh, 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 oh.